Over time, scientists have established safe lab practices that minimize the risk of accidents or hazards. Following these practices helps ensure your safety as well as those around you. Before beginning any experiment in a laboratory, identify the location of important safety equipment. Also, familiarize yourself with the procedure for operating safety equipment. Essential safety equipment includes the fire extinguisher, the eye wash and safety shower, the fire blanket, the gas shutoff, the first aid kit, and the chemical spill kit. Another safety practice is to use the correct personal protective equipment suitable for the experiment being conducted. Depending on the type of experiment and chemicals or materials, necessary protective equipment could include safety goggles, gloves, or a lab coat or apron. Handling lab equipment properly also helps ensure safety. For example, you should use 2 hands when carrying a microscope or balance, and take extra care when moving glassware or chemicals. When a spill occurs or glassware breaks, notify the teacher immediately. Refer to the MSDS sheet for any information regarding chemicals in use, and follow recommended procedures to clean up the area appropriately. Place broken glass into the broken glassware box. Chemical spills should be cleaned using the chemical spill kit. By following the best practices for safety in a science lab setting, you will minimize risk to yourself and those around you. A safe scientist is a successful scientist.